hair, this is how it looks like after I condition it with the co-wash cleansing conditioner. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have to use like a lot of this for me to feel like it's working for some reason, but I'm almost done with it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I just don't know how I feel about you know, co-washing conditioners. Maybe I have become more of like a shampoo type of girl right now, and deep conditioning after or conditioning after, but co-washing with this one, man, it left it nice. I'm not gonna lie, and it smells really good. I just like the foaming for some reason lately. That's just now, but I love co-washing, don't get me wrong. But as of now, I think a little bit of, you know, shampoo bubbles in my hair makes me feel like it's kind of doing something, but it doesn't necessarily mean, you know, it's co-washing doesn't. Just my preference right now is just, you know, shampooing. But I am not gonna lie to y'all, I love the Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, this leaves my hair feeling so light, and it's pretty like thick. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. You see that? Yes, it's so thick, and I've used a good amount of it, and I still have product left, so that's clutch. I'm just gonna put this in my hair because I already like took it out, but it left my hair feeling so bomb. I can't even. I love it. And I did get that through the Curl Kit subscription that I have, but they've been kind of going in with the full bottles. I have a discount code for y'all to use down below if you guys want a discount for your first order, but it smells really good. I really suggest it. The co-washing definitely works. I just right now prefer, you know, a little bit of foam, like I said, and I love the leave-in conditioner. And I also tried like their gel for your baby hairs. Right at this moment, I don't want to baby down my hairs, but I have used it and it's so good. I loved it. And they actually stayed in place, so stepping up their game. I heard this is since this is like a new line for the Lustrous Pink, I've heard that before they used to even look different. So I guess they're like upping up their game with their bottles and, you know, how they're presenting things. So I'm definitely loving it. I give it a thumbs up for sure.